Good morning, students of 10th standard. We are again with geography. We have already finished the first unit test, and now we are going to into the second unit test. First semester. And in this geography lesson, we are going to deal with the fourth lesson, that is something called on climate. Okay? Climate, and climate, how it changes, what is happening. Okay, climatical changes you can see. And now, but here we have always been dealing in geography with two countries, that is climate of India and climate of Brazil. In the same lesson, in this lesson, we are going to do the study of climate of India and climate of Brazil, comparison between the two countries. Okay, Brazil and India. Study figure 4.1 and 4.2 and answer the following questions. Considering the isotherms, okay, isotherms are there, what do you call isobars, no, isotherms which were there. Then we are talking about dot method and all. So isotherms of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil? You can see these isotherms are given. Okay, that is there. And in which area does it rain more? You can see the climatic condition, average annual rainfall. It is here more dark ones. So the dark ones, no, that is there. Then from which direction are winds flowing towards Brazil? From which direction the winds are flowing? You can see the winds are moving in this direction. Okay. Then what could be the reason behind that? What could be the obstruction in the way of these winds? What is obstructing them? Which type of rainfall will occur because of these winds? Correlate these winds and rainfall. In which part of Brazil are the average temperature low? Identify the rain shadow area in Brazil. Describe its climatic characteristics. In which region do you find a higher temperature? Considering the latitudinal extent of Brazil, where will you find temperate climate in Brazil? Describe the winds blowing between 0 degree to 5 degree north and south zones. Okay, 0 degree north and south zones. Okay, you have to find out that. Which method has been used to show distribution in this map? You can see in the 4.2 section. 500 ml, 1000 meter, and then 2000 meter, 1600 millimeters, 2000 millimeters, 20 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, 5.11, 0 degree, 10, 14. Okay, this is what is given. Rainfall in millimeters, annual average rainfall. Cross section of Brazil physiography is mentioned over there. Based on this, you have to give the answer. Observe figure 4.3 and write the answers. Which region gets more than 4000 millimeter of rainfall? Identify the region with maximum and minimum temperatures. In which direction is the temperature increasing? Identify the direction of the wind shown. What are they known as? Okay. Which winds are responsible for the rainfall in India? Some part of Rajasthan is under desert. What could be the reason for it? Draw the main parallel of latitude passing through India which affects its climate. Refer to figure 2.1. In which part of peninsular India are semi-arid climatic conditions found and why? And again here you can see this one is given. The place are given. Manaus, Belém, Porto Alegre, Rio de Janeiro. Study the graphs given in figure 4.4 and answer the following questions. In which month is the highest temperature found in all four cities? In which month? Okay. Here the months are given: January, February, March, April, May, June. Which month it is more? In which month does it rain the most in the given cities? When does Brazil have its rainy season? Which city has the maximum range of temperature? How much it is? What type of climate will be found in Rio de Janeiro? Brazil. Because of the vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climatic variations in climate. For example, near equator it is hot, while temperate type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and the northeast trade winds. Parts of the Brazilian highlands extend up to the northern coast. The escarpments act as an obstruction to the winds coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds get reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. This region is a rain shadow region. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Considering the temperatures in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is hot while the temperatures in the southern part are comparatively lower. Seasonal variations are found in this pattern. Near the equator at Brazilian coast temperature does not vary much. In the coastal regions near the equator in Brazil, differences in temperatures are negligible. The winds move in the vertical directions in the region. Similarly, the convergence zone of the trade winds is weak here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. That is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coast of Brazil. Most of the part of this country lies in the tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. The temperature is more in this region. The average temperature in the Amazon Valley is 25 degree to minus 28 degrees Celsius. The climate is cooler in the highlands because of the proximity to the sea. The coasts experience mild and humid climate. The Amazon Valley receives around 2000 millimeters of rainfall, while the northeastern coast receives 1000 to 1200 millimeters of rainfall. Study the graphs given in figure 4.5 and answer the following questions. This one we will deal in the next class.